Hi everyone, welcome back. You're watching another perfect score attempt in the Netherlands. Yes, it's going to be a long one again. Still haven't done this. It's hard. Made somewhat harder by what seems to be bugs. We never actually got to the bottom of it. Some were definitely bugs. One or two of them may have been me being shit. But hopefully we can overcome both of those obstacles. Shitness and bugs. And hopefully we can get that 25,000 points, that nice crisp. I mean, look at that, 24999. It's not a nice sight. It doesn't look good. I don't want it there any longer than it has to be honest. And I'd much rather look at the 25000. So let's do it. Let's give this another crack. Come on. We're off. We're by the sea, or at least a very large canal, and it's looking all right. And we've got a sign. This sign is Eames Canal. I won't write that down. I think I'll remember that. I'll remember that because it's a canal. Do you know what I mean? How many canals can there be? We've got a road sign here. What have we got? Just numbers on this occasion. Okay, let's have a think. Which is my best way to go? I think it's probably this way. Over the bridge and beyond. Hopefully it leads to another main road, possibly a roundabout. Is that a roundabout I can see? I believe it is. Some signs would be good though. I can't see any. Yes, I can see some. Good. Right, nice little cluster. Right. What have we got? Anything I've heard of? That would be useful. Can you just position, please? Go up. Okay. Farmsum, Winschoten, Delfzijl Noord. I think we're in Delfzicht or Delfzijl or whatever. Groningen. I'm just going to jump round here. Just hop over and quickly check what's on the other side for the sake of it. And, okay. That is enough. Thank you. In a good way. Groningen. Here we go. Here's Groningen. Winschoten I've just found out of the corner of my eye. Farmsum I can't see, but never mind. Delfzijl is up here, look. Now, I've seen the MC here, which is more of a sea than a canal. However, if I zoom in here, I'm hoping this is the canal. Yeah, Eames Canal. That'll do me. So, are we right now at this roundabout here? That's what I want to know. Fire station. That looks like a fire station. Good. Because I've just seen it on the map. There it is. So we were there. But don't worry, that's not my guess. I'm going to go back. And, this isn't going to be easy. It's worth mentioning. Because I'm not sure we've got all the means to judge this on. I certainly can't use any of those buildings to judge this on. I'm going to have to just guess this, really. Yeah, I can't use that either. I just can't. That would not be as accurate and useful as just using the road and this bend. So, unfortunately... we have got this little split in the middle. But these can often be, again, quite misleading because where's it starting from? And then you've got you zoom into the road and it's all different. It moves. Look at it. It moves around. It gets bigger and smaller. So all in all, I don't have high hopes for this. Let's look how big the bend is in its entirety. We're actually halfway around it, believe it or not. So actually, I'm going to go there, and I'm going to be done with it. Excellent. Kind of an instinct shot there. Okay, next one. Wow, and on this one, we are by buildings. Hopefully, these drain pipes are the separating markers. Because, there's no air between these buildings, no gaps. And it doesn't have the numbers either like it does in... where was that? I can't remember where that was. a map I was playing recently. Anyway, so which way do we go? I'm going to go this way, and that is west. Always good to make a note of which way you're going. West. West. Okay. Rightio. Am I filming this? I am filming this. Good. I am, aren't I, Kim? Is that an accurate name for a Dutch woman? Let me know. What does that say? Learnend. No, I think that means learn. Okay. Celebstraat. Is she a celeb? I don't think so. Okay, so I'm going to write that down. Celebstraat. Oost. More to the point. Also, I'm going to quickly get the name of the one I was on. Erster Thingybob. Zeeburg. Are we in Zeeburg? Wow, that was worth looking at that sign. Let's see. Where's Zeeburg again? Isn't it Amsterdam? I'm sure. I might have got this wrong, but I think... There it is. Zeeburg. So, can I find that? I mean, I'm pretty sure Zeeburg is might be quite a big area. So I might need to do a bit more hunting around here before I try and find Celebstraat and this one, Atjestraat. But I'm going to have a quick look, just on the off chance that it just appears. I'm feeling lucky. Fortune favours the brave. Steve Bickerpline. That's a weird name for a place. Got it. Celebstraat. Unbelievable. Okay. However, I can't find the other one. Where's the other one? What's happening? My internet's gone. Oh, I think it's back. Okay. Let's try and find then. Huh. That is weird. Celebstraat. Oh, it carries on. My mistake. And there it is. Erster Atjestraat. Okay. Back to the start then, because I've kind of forgot what was going on there. And actually, what happened? What happened? I bloody forgot, haven't I? Like a stupid idiot. Ah, yes, we weren't too far away at all. So we're down here, but this isn't going to be easy at all, is it? Oh my god. Shit. Right, not to worry. Let's try and crack on with this then. So down here, it does a little boogie, doesn't it? It does a little kink. That'll be there. We'll just check though. Come on. Yeah. No. That's where it actually links on to there. Okay, good job I checked. Back we go. So where's the little kink? I can't see no kink. Can't see that at all. Very, very misleading. And then you're at the end, mate. So, I don't know where that's meant to be, but I don't like it. Beats me. It really beats me where that's meant to be. On the south side. Nothing changes. Not even the pavement comes out there. So that's we can't use that, and that's very off-putting, really. It's got to be. I'm starting to wonder now whether I was, in actual fact, on that street, but I must have been. Must have been. Okay. Alright. Okay, it's just really annoying, that's all. Let's try and find some of these things. What's that? Is that on here? Is that on here? Salon. Jewel. Oh, nail salon. Okay, but I don't know if we actually started here. We didn't, probably. There, is that the salon there? Yes, it is. So I'm going to count over from the salon. Okay. Although, looking at this, I can't see any lines on this building. There are no lines, no dividing lines between each house. There's nothing. And I know usually I complain that it's too bright, the screen's too bright for me to see them, but I actually don't think there are any lines on this. I don't think they've bothered to put them in this particular place. I've got the salon. There's a nails place. What is that? That's a jewellery place, and then there's a bike shop over the road a bit further along. But I'm just going to have to guess this. I can't spend too much more time deliberating over this, and even if I did, I don't think I'd be able to work this out. I've got to judge it on the salon, and not much else really. This is really shit. This is really annoying. Apparently there's a bicycle shop. Parking lot for bicycles. Okay, well that's there, to be fair. So okay, that's good. Apparently the road changes there, but no, it doesn't. And I can see more bikes further along. I'm just going to go here, I think. Oh my god, I've done it. Oh my god. That was kind of desperate. That was a desperate... Look at that. What bollocks. I don't know. I don't know how you combat that. Okay, luckily, again, I was in. Okay, third round. Can we make it through to the end? I'm not going to say any more on the matter, but hopefully we can. Right. North. Heading north. Let's get the road name. What happened there, please? What on earth happened there? Did I just pop out here? Yes, that's where I've started. And we're looking to go this way, I reckon. Yeah. And there's a little stream / canal there. Actually looked like a stream for once. I don't know if that's going to be the way out. We could be in a maze here. We could be stuck in a maze. And I don't think we can go up there either. Show me the way out, please. Is it this way? It's not going to be, is it? That's a stupid little dead end. Okay. Okay, back to square one. No. Wait, could I go down here? I didn't actually go to the end, did I, to be fair? Okay, that's looking not too bad. I'm going to get the name of this. Fiat's pad, I think, which I've seen before, but that might be a general name for annoying housing estates. What does this say? That's just T-Coop. Meaning for sale. Are we out yet? We Oh my god. I feel like this is the way. Look, this looks like a main road. Oh god, the sun's out. I think, well, I've lost all sense of steering here, but what does this say? Fiat's pad. Oh, good, good. That clears that up. Right, have we got good signs here? Okay, I'm going to write down Mondrian Stra, and that'll do. I feel like that's a big road that I might find on the map. Hello, ladies. How you doing? Okay. Where to from here? You've got to think about this. You've got to think well. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Okay. We're hoping now for a main road to appear. Oh my god. Don't tell me this is a dead end. I mean, what were all the signs for then? Hey, Abdul? I don't know. Let's go the other way. We'll get there. We will get there. Believe you me. It's just, it can be tricky. Ah, here's a big canal. Let's follow the canal. At least I think I've got a good sort of geographical map in my head of the layout of this whole place. Yeah, I think so anyway. So let's get to this junction and hopefully all the signs that go with it. Can I read that? Come on. Centrum. Yeah, that's not really a help. I'm aware that it did have the name of a place, but there's a better one here. Oh, Steens, Gelsum. Oh, do I even need to write this down? Do I even? We are in Heerenveen, I believe, wasn't it? Heerenveen, yeah. Wait a minute. Un moment. Centrum. Boerdard. Hang on a minute. Have I been twisted round there? I'm a bit confused because that one says the same thing, doesn't it? It does. How does that work then? How can they both? How can they both be that? Wait. What happened to the canal there? Which I'm sure I've been spun around. I didn't come from that way. No chance. It must have been. I'm getting all flustered here. There it is. There's the canal. It was hiding behind that building. Okay, let's... Bloody hell. Let's get in the map. Ah, it was Leeuwarden. Leeuwarden, not Heerenveen. I stand corrected. Okay. Now, I think I'm going to have to get the name of this road that I'm on because it's a big place. And despite what I said earlier, I'm still not confident with the map that I've got in my head. So I'm going to have to embark down this road, I think. And unless... Can I find that Marienstraat that I was so confident would come in useful? So tempting to just use the map to try and figure out where we are. No, I've got to get the name of this road, guys. It's not enough information yet. Fietspad certainly isn't. Bilgard. Just saw that on the map. There it is, look. We're in the right ballpark. We just need to find the canal. I don't think this is the canal because it's the wrong angle. That's too easternly. So I need to look for another canal. But we're definitely in the right ballpark. And that ballpark being Bilgard. We're definitely in and around Bilgard. Could we have been up here somewhere? And was that the canal? I don't know. I'm just adamant that it's going away at the wrong angle. I'm going to try and just find a couple more signs. We've got a junction coming up here. If I can just get the name of this road, I'll be a happy man. Because at the moment, I'm not doing too well. I was all in a fluster from the word go, really, wasn't I? Steens and Hartingen, or Harlingen, rather, are this way, west. So if I can find those, maybe I can find the road that's leading to them. And there's an airport there. I can see Harlingenweg, but can't see the villages themselves. Got to be up here, haven't we? Bilgard. We're either on Demelan or Brandermere, I'm sure of it. And this must be the canal. I really think we're up here. Ah, Mondrianstraat. No way. I knew that would come in useful. So, okay, so we're in one of these estates. Can't be too far away from Mondrian. So where's Fietspad? Nowhere to be seen at the moment. I'm starting to wonder about the meaning of Fietspad now. Does that mean footpath? I hope it doesn't. Okay. I'm just trying to see if I recognise any of this. Shite, mate. We're going to have to go back. We're going to have to go back. We're going to have to go. Oh, dear. Okay. Let's see. That links up round there. I didn't realise that. Could have gone this way to begin with. Just getting a mental map of it. You know, that thing that I said I'd already got. And then that is big, long and straight. Doing this the hard way as ever. Oh, blimey. That looks like it. Yeah. Yeah, I've got it. We're down here somewhere. Feet's pad must mean footpath. That's probably why I've seen it before. Oh, we got there in the end. Okay, so this looks like a little square. We're next to this one, folks. That is where we are. However, I wouldn't be so hasty because we've got this house here. We're right on the edge of that, so I would actually say there. I hope this isn't bugged. I really do. I'm just going to check out the side of that. Maybe a little bit in, if anything, which I think I've got, to be fair. How far are we from the edge? Not far, really. I'm pretty happy with that, because it's like a little square which isn't conveyed on here. I'm going to go for that. Excellent. 0.3 meters. That clearly wasn't bugged. 2 rounds to go. And crucially, I'm by a building. Well, we've actually got the edge of the building as well, which is superb. Very relieving. And what a lovely place it is too, I must say. What does that say? Divolmelon. Okay. What's this? Riethoven. Okay, I can write that down. Riethoven. We've also got Valra there, which I recognise. Valra. I'll write that down too, because that might be a bigger place that's more easy to find on the map. I won't go that way. I'll go this way. We've got a bridge here. Looks like there's more going on this way, potentially. And that says Doe Vial. It's a nice place. Little mill. Nice little old mill there. Maybe still functioning. Who knows? But yeah, I'm going to head east now. And Valra, I'm not confident I can find that on the map, to be honest. But what I'm hoping for is in Valra, I can find a signpost, basically, with other places that I have heard of. All right? Good. Okay. Hopefully it's not too far. If, of course, it is this way. It could be the other way. This could be a wild goose chase, this particular direction, but that's the look of the draw. Are these welcome to signs? Hey, it's Valra. Excellent. And I'm well aware I'm saying it wrong, so just don't even waste your breath. Okay. So Valra, how big is it? Hopefully not too big, so that we can find the centre and find signs, but also not too small. It doesn't look like it's too small. Just the right size, really. Here's a nice church. Oh, very nice. Yes, very good. Are these signposts? They are, but they're all kind of local shit, as I like to call it. So we'll carry on. Willy Broadsdulan. I'm not... Oh, Eindhoven and Alst, I think that's meant to say. Eindhoven is down here. Let's have a look then. Valra, there it is. It's very near to Eindhoven. So there's Valra. We entered from this way. And I think, yeah, there's the Dommel. It was Dommel, not Deauville. We were around here, so we just need to find the building. Oh, it's not there. Let's go back. I just want to check this. Because we've got this building. We've got that one. Well, at least part of it. Not the red roofed extension. That is nowhere to be seen. Can't see it. Fantastic. This is going to be a lot harder then, because I did notice that we're directly in line with the edge of that, but we're not going to be able to use that. Fantastic. Oh, God. Okay, we're going to have to judge this then. Big sweeping bend, which is pretty much useless. It's that big. And it's kind of still going here. Oh, my God. I'm trying to just go with my heart here. I'm thinking put a preliminary one there. I'm trying to judge it on the house that's on our left. Also using the other bend and the bend that's in front of me. I think I'm gonna I might move it further towards me. Yeah, I think we're a fair bit further away from that house, but I'm gonna try and stay in the middle. Screw it. Oh my God. You're joking me. You must be joking me. That's ridiculous. 0.1 yards. So what? 9 centimeters? I'm in disbelief, but I've got to carry on because time is of the essence, and not just that. This is the last round. I've got to be in total focus here, and this is going to be very hard, but we've got a bridge. Oh, thank God we've got a bridge. I thought that was just a straight road. Okay, let's do this, man. Let's do it. We've got a lot of geographical features here, actually, to go on. The lake being the main one. Eindhoven, 51. Stevens Sveert. Just get around here and view these. That would be great. Maasbracht, I wouldn't like to tell you where that is. I don't need any of these road names. Maastricht is 39. Let's get in the map. Let's get in the bloody map. Screw it. Come on. There's Maastricht. That's 39 on the motorway, apparently. Echt. I found Echt. And Maasbracht. Wow. I'm still in disbelief at that last round. I really am. Still a bit of working out to do here. This is the River Meuse. Very big river. And it looks like it's descended into just several lakes here. Where's Stevens Sveert? There it is. So I think, guys, we are there. That's where I think we are. Can we get a place name, a road name? Schuttersweg. That's exactly what I wanted. Did need it after all. So, yeah, I think we're here and we're looking down onto this section of the river, or at least one of the many lakes that it's formed. So, we're looking at about there. Let's go back to the start. That's north. So we're definitely on this side. How long is the bridge? Not that long, really, but we don't want to mess this up. We do not want to mess this up because are we going off where the bridge starts or are we going off where the land, the edge of the land is? This is the question. What I mean by that is this edge here, what's that counting? I would have thought that will be the edge of the land. Let's have a look to see how square it is. Can't really see too well, but it's quite square, look. And look at that edge over there, that little S-bend. That very much so correlates with that. So does that edge there. So we're probably even further in than you might think at first glance. We're not to the edge of that. So I'm going to say there, but I'm by no means going to go with that yet. We can't really use that. That's too far away. But I might even just go there. Because actually, if you look how much water there is, you know, there's about 20, 30 yards of water. Not that much. There's about the same. We're about the... Would you say we're the same distance? This is horrible, but I'm going to have to go there. Let's have a look at the road, where the road bends. How does that feel in relation to the bridge? Well, it's not the bridge. This is the problem. Oh my god, this is tough, man. I'm going to go for that because I genuinely don't think that the gap of water exceeds this gap of land. And vice versa. I think they're about the same. So the gap from there to there is seemingly smaller, but that's because the water is lower down. I'm spending a lot of time on this because I want to be sure. From here it looks like there's way more land, but the land's further to me, so that's going to distort that. I'm going to go for that. Oh god. Oh god. Shit. I was closer to it. I don't bloody believe it. And there it is, guys. Another 24999. A big C shape. I can think of the word that might stand for. Well, what can I say? I've given it a good go. At least I can't blame anyone but myself this time. That was definitely my mistake. I don't think that was a bug at all. Very deceiving factors going on there. Lots of different factors. Obviously the closeness of the ground there, which I did say was confusing me. I didn't consider that factor enough. And I've paid the price. I've paid the price. The price is 1 point, but that 1 point means so much. In other news, those rounds... but I've got to say, some of the other rounds were crazy. I mean, usually in the Netherlands, if you find yourself having to guess and just judge from a long distance, a long bend, you've had it. You know, you've got no chance. But a couple of times there, I amazed myself, really. Just pure... It's pure luck, really. Well, it's always a mixture, but some of those rounds were ridiculous. You know, I had nothing to go on, really. So it's amazing I even got that far. Thanks so much for sticking with me. If you've watched all of that, guys, I hope that was as enthralling as it was for me. Hometown Roulette will be at the start of every month now, so it'll be the start of September. I will be answering your hometown requests, so don't you worry about that. And plenty more fun to come too. But that will not be the last we've all seen of the Netherlands. Unfortunately, there will be at least one more to come. So, hope you're enjoying them. Take care, everyone. Ta-ra.